Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Firestore indexes for no-code app queries, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Firestore indexes for no-code app queries, start by accessing your Firebase console. Navigate to the Firestore database section. Look for the Indexes tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Indexes tab to view your existing indexes. Identify any missing or outdated indexes that are affecting your queries. Refer to your no-code app documentation for the required index specifications. Create a new index by selecting the Add Index button. In the Collection ID field, enter the name of the collection for which you want to create the index. Next, specify the fields that are required for the index. Choose the appropriate order for each field, either ascending or descending, based on your query requirements. If your index needs to support compound queries, ensure you add all relevant fields. After filling in the required fields, click on the Save button. Firestore will now start building your index. You can monitor the index creation progress in the same Indexes tab. Once the index status changes to active, your new index is ready for use. Test your queries in the no-code app to ensure the issues have been resolved. If you encounter any errors, double-check the specifications and index configuration. Make adjustments as necessary and rebuild the index if required. By following these steps, you can successfully restore Firestore indexes for your no-code app queries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.